And this is out on Lost Creek Lake. Deep water free solos. All of them are first ascents. Rock was pretty good. Weather was great, obviously. And just feeling super inspired and super grateful that I live in such a beautiful place. I'm surrounded by such amazing people. Love y'all. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for your interest. And if you get a chance, please check out my new art gallery / jewelry store that's online at Mystic River Gem and Jewelers. It'll be on the artist storefront. And I hope you guys enjoy what you see. Takes a little bit of time to make the necklaces, but it's something I'm passionate about, and I put a lot of thought into them. So I hope you all enjoy them, because I enjoy making them. They have a lot of metaphysical properties to them. So not only are they cool looking, they offer lots of healing powers too, and keep you grounded and all kinds of good stuff. Anyways, like I was saying, let me know what I should make my next video about. And
I can still see him. Can, that's sure.
See you soon. Thanks, have a great day. Oh yeah, and if anyone would like any beta or information on where this climbing and stuff is located, feel free to contact me, leave a note on my Facebook, or try to call me.
Probably almost about 9 or 1,000.
It's a really cool area, and there's a lot of paranormal activity that goes on at this lake. It's pretty crazy, honestly. I've seen some really bizarre things out here. Bizarre than me, which is kind of hard to believe, I know, but it's true. There's shit that's crazier than me out there, people. Much crazier. Much love. Protect your mother. Keep her planet clean.